Hello student, I Sapna Atri welcome you all. Student, this is third part of the tenses and here in this module on tenses we are going to do future tense in all its four forms. Students, in the last two modules we have done present tense and past tense. So let's start with the future tense. It means action will take place in future. Literal meaning, a verb that refers to the future time. For example, the gardener will water the plant in the evening. Future tense can also be expressed by four forms. Number 1, simple future, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous tense. First, simple future tense means an action that is still to take place. Use of shall, will and first verb. For example, I will write a letter. Sentence structure, subject, helping verb will, first verb write and object. Negative of it, I will not write a letter. Sentence structure, subject, will plus not, verb and object. Interrogative sentence, will I write a letter, and sentence structure is will, that is helping verb, subject, verb and object. Students, you can see more example on it on your screen. Future continuous tense. It means action will go on at some time in future. Use of shall be, will be, first verb plus ing. Example, I will be writing a letter. Sentence structure, subject, helping verb will be, first verb ing and object. Negative of it, I will not be writing a letter. And sentence structure is subject, negative with helping verb, verb plus ing and object. Interrogative, will I be writing a letter? And sentence structure is helping verb, subject, verb plus ing and object. Student, you can see more example on your screen. Future perfect, use of shall have, will have and third verb. For example, I will have written a letter. Sentence structure, subject, helping verb will have, third verb written and object. Negative, I will not have written a letter. Sentence structure, subject, negative, third verb and object. Interrogative, will I have written a letter, and structure is helping verb, subject, third verb and object. Student, the important thing that you have to keep in your mind here is if there are two future incidents, the one that will happen earlier takes the future perfect tense. Example, before you go to see him, he will have left the place. You can see more example on your screen. Future perfect continuous tense means use of shall have been, will have been, first verb, ing and time. Time means since and for. For example, I will have been writing a letter for 2 days. Negative of it, I will not have been writing a letter. Interrogative, will I have been writing a letter? See more example on your screen. Students, hope you understood this topic very well. With this module, the topic on tense is over. But before wrapping it up, here you can see the summing up of all the tenses. That means the three tenses: present, past and future. So note down each and everything in your notebook. Thank you. Keep learning, rise and shine.